Hello, curious minds! Today, we're delving into the intriguing world of human behavior, exploring a fascinating psychology fact. When a woman is interested in taking your connection to a more intimate level, she tends to ask you about your life and business. Join me as we unravel the subtle yet powerful signals behind these inquiries. Understanding human behavior often involves decoding subtle cues, and when it comes to romantic interest, communication takes on a nuanced form. One common behavior is the woman who consistently asks you about your life and business. But what lies beneath these inquiries? When a woman is genuinely interested in you, she seeks to establish a deeper emotional connection. Questions about your life, experiences, and emotions go beyond surface-level conversations. This signifies a desire to understand you on a more personal and intimate level. Asking about your life and business isn't just about gathering information. It's a trust-building exercise. Genuine curiosity demonstrates an investment in your story and a willingness to create a foundation of trust. Trust is a crucial element in the journey towards a more intimate connection. When a woman inquires about specific aspects of your life, such as your hobbies, dreams, and past experiences, she is expressing a genuine interest in your uniqueness. Sharing personal details fosters a sense of vulnerability and authenticity, key ingredients for building a meaningful connection. Through these inquiries, a woman may be assessing compatibility and shared values. Understanding your life and business helps her gauge whether your aspirations align, creating a basis for a potential deeper connection. It's a subtle but powerful form of compatibility testing. Asking about your life and business can be a prelude to emotional intimacy. When a woman shows interest in your day-to-day experiences and professional endeavors, it indicates a readiness to share her world and emotions, paving the way for a more profound connection. It's not just about the questions themselves. It's about active listening and genuine engagement. A woman who is truly interested in you will not only ask questions but will attentively listen to your responses, fostering a dynamic and reciprocal conversation.